her vlog in an English accent, darling. So, darling, we're on our way to Sam's Club. It's an American store where you can buy groceries, you can buy beds and pajamas, all in the same store. It's like a giant warehouse, darling. You know these Americans like everything oversized, darling. Stay tuned.
I got a good accent too.
All right, let me hear your accent.
Today we go to Sam's Club!
Oh my goodness.
That was my screaming accent.
Hello, love. So there's a difference between my English accents, and I don't know which is which.
Australian, fam.
Oh really? You know Australian? I want to know how to do it, but Australian is one of the hardest ones.
No, cranky.
Fam, this thing is mad heavy.
Good, get a good shoulder workout. You see, if you had a bullshit camera, it couldn't stay there like that.
This is a get ready with me.
You gotta show them mine too.
First, you take a Brillo pad. Just kidding. Twist it around like that, and then you just leave it. Let it go. And that's it.
Then you get another piece of hair, right? Boom. Look. And you gotta make sure you keep your eyes on the road while you're driving too. So look. Really, what I wanted to talk about today was thanking everybody for liking your video and subscribing to your channel. Because y'all don't know, but she was afraid. She was very afraid. Even though this is her channel, I want to thank y'all so much for liking and subscribing and commenting and sharing, because that little bit that y'all did, well, no, let me not say little bit. Yeah, that was a lot. Even though it wasn't thousands of people, that right there motivated her so much, like you don't even know. Thank you. Continue to watch the videos. I'm going to do my best to help her get these videos out as soon as possible. And that's it.
Oh, you guys, he's so sweet. Come on, guys, follow me.
Everybody knows you get Scott. You don't get cheap toilet paper when it comes to your rum. What is it?
Your rum?
Your rum.
Well, I was trying to focus.
Samples!
About 5 minutes.
Mushroom? Mushroom burger?
Mushroom burger.
But is it meat as well?
Yes, beef.
Okay, beef. Okay. So is it like one burger per sample? I'm moving making she's a celebrity.
You're a celebrity.
No, I just have a YouTube channel.
You have what?
A YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to be on it?
No.
So we were just getting some vlogging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How interesting. I just had to be nosy.
Oh, no problem.
You want to be on it? So we just met this lady. She was giving out samples.
Very delicious samples, might I add.
Delicious. Oh, it was meat, so I didn't try it. You know, because I'm a vegan.
And it had cheese in it too.
Had
so
cheese?
Had cheese, and he definitely didn't try it.
I didn't try it. Yeah. I miss cheese. But anyway, she was just saying that her son and his girlfriend have a channel too, and that now they're like at 20,000 views per video, and some producers are contacting them and stuff like that, you know. So one day we'll be there. We're right at the beginning right now, but that was some inspiration, you know.
It was actually really
that wasn't
cool.
A coincidence either.
It wasn't a coincidence. It was really cool. But I think we're going the wrong way though. Oh, look right here. Today has been perfect so far. So why are we gonna buy more olive oil?
Because we drink it like it's juice.
And plus, you know, put it in my hair. Beauty tips.
She's nasty. She puts her hand all in the olive oil and then cooks with it.
It has a spout. I put some in my hand and then I put it in my hair.
And then she goes back.
Meanwhile, his beard falls out everywhere. You see little curly hairs everywhere in the house.
She lying. It's bullshit. Don't believe her.
Oh my goodness. No profanity on my channel.
It's BS. It's BS.
We just had a successful trip at the Sam's Club. We met some really interesting people.
We ain't meet nobody. Nah, we did.
Yes, we did. We met 2 interesting ladies.
And the cashier, he was cool.
Oh, 3. We met 3 interesting people.
You said 3?
Yeah.
Who was the second?
The other lady, she was saying how we could take a lot of pictures of interesting characters.
She was interested in it.
She was an interesting character herself, but she didn't want to be in it. You guys, he just handed me my purse. Anytime that he has to pick up my bag, he acts like he's gonna catch some type of disease.
That's not a purse, that's a book bag.
Oh, it's okay. He doesn't mind because it's something I could like wear. Like that's, I guess. Whatever. So now I'm gonna die of heat stroke because I'm in the car now with no freaking air conditioner on.
Oh, baby.
You think just because you're driving, you don't have to do anything else?
Going down a 1 week.
Oh, we need to get gas.
Do we need to? right now?
I mean, this is cheap gas. That's why I thought you wanted to
It's
get it.
cheaper than Sam's Club gas anyway. Let's see.
It's practically free.
It's practically free, but you know what you don't get?
What?
More time. In life, one thing you don't get more of is time.
Invaluable.
This shit ain't no cheap one.
You guys, he didn't mean to say a bad word on the channel. From now on, he can only say shite. Shite.
What the hell are they waiting for? Oh my goodness. What, man? One thing about people in Atlanta is they are afraid to drive. They
and
are.
once they actually start driving, they crash. No, I really love Atlanta, okay? But that's the truth.
That's all it is. What do you have left over to spend after all your priorities are taken care of?
Exactly. What makes these smells when you're driving down the highway and all of a sudden it smells like eggs or perm or something? Ew.
Don't quote me on this. I think it's sulfur.
Why do you think it's sulfur?
Because that's how sulfur smells. So
Sulfur smells like rotten
like
eggs?
a landfill. Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Is it sulfur? It's one of them gases.
It smells like perm. Ew. Well, perm smells like eggs, rotten eggs, or boiled eggs.
But it's a chemical that comes over that, which is why it smells like that.
Right,
And
which
I
is
think
why
it's sulfur.
permanent is terrible for you. Don't perm.
You know what a mortician told me one time?
What?
That when they cut open the brains of black women, it's just like a bunch of pus underneath the skull from all the perms that they've been putting in their head.
Ew. Ew. That's disgusting. Do they know what it does to your brain? Does it make you act differently?
If it's creating pus under your brain, it gotta be. That's where that angry black women come from.
Don't listen to him, you guys. That's not what well, I mean, it could be. I mean, you never know what happened. You never know where something comes from. But, I mean, I don't, you can't just write it off as being the perm.
So the moral of the
I
story
don't even perm my hair anymore. Because I'm not an angry black woman, right?
The moral
Right?
of the story.
Right?
You acting like one?
First of all, I'm not an angry black woman. I'm not an angry
I
black
didn't say
woman.
that.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying that I'm not. Okay, that's the moral of the story. Alright, you guys, we'll see you at Julian's because this thing is heavy and I don't feel like helping it. Julian's Cosmetics and Skincare is a really great place to get all your cosmetics, and they even have a spa, so you get facials, microdermabrasion. Do they do microdermabrasion? And the staff is really friendly. And Julian's great too if you get to meet him. They do classes here sometimes. I went to a Makeup Forever class here. It was so much fun actually. You meet a lot of great ladies, and there was some guys here too, so fellas, don't be shy. You can come check out Julian's. I'm sure they could do skincare for men as well. And they really have a lot of great products.
It's a wrap, folks.
We're gonna get you next time.
Exactly.